Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, my name is Marie. For this third and final episode in Belgium, we'll be exploring not one, but two of the most magical cities, Ghent and Bruges. From fairytale canals and medieval castles to secret alleyways and the best waffles and fries you've ever tasted, we're diving into the charm, history, and hidden gems of these storybook towns. Ready? Let's get started. Welcome back everyone. We're still in Belgium and we're doing two cities today. We're starting in Ghent and later during the day we'll go in Bruges. So let's start exploring Ghent, shall we? The castle you can see behind me is the Castle of the Counts. The Castle of the Counts was built in 1180, and if you want to visit the inside, it's 13 euros. You can also just walk around and take in the views for free. Currently, there's a festival going on, and it's the Ghent Festival, of course. It's one of the largest cultural festivals in Europe, so we'll try to find some food to eat. Hopefully some beef. Ooh, almost tripped. Some beef stew. Apparently it's one of the famous dishes here. Also there are many canals and bridges. We're trying Flemish stew and it comes with fries and salad. It's good. I believe the sauce is with beer. Super good. Like the beef stew? Well, we finally made it to Bruges. It was a bit of a hustle to try to find a parking spot. There isn't that many. You have to do street parking. It's not cheap too. It's 10-50 euros for 3 hours, I believe. So that's what we'll put in the meter for now and we'll go for an explore. Now in the market square, beautiful buildings all around. This is the Belfry. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but I believe you can go up to the top to get a great view. So I stand corrected. I called the tower the Belfry, but Carly said it's the Belfry. Let's try this. This is the traditional one. I got it in a square.
More like the funnel cakes at Wonderland.
Really? Well, the texture is very different, but I feel the chocolate they use is better. This is the old hospital. It's called Sint-Janshospital, something similar to that. And I believe we can visit the interior. It's right across the Church of Our Lady. You can actually go on the grounds for free, and it's one of the oldest surviving hospital buildings in Europe, and it was a hospital for over 800 years. The architecture is a mix of Romanesque and Gothic styles. Today the hospital is a museum. There's also a harp museum into the hospital, which is free. They also do concerts, and they also have the bodies exhibit. Everywhere you look is pretty. I love Bruges. This is Lover's Bridge. Here's what I think. I think Bruges is more interesting. More things to do. It's more alive. That's only my opinion. So out of the two, out of Ghent and Bruges, if you can only do one, I would do Bruges. Thank you guys for watching, and if you feel like sticking around, make sure to subscribe and I'll catch you in the next one.